Hello, Jake here, and a little update. I put the truck and camper in the barn. We usually use this place for calving time for heifers. It's not heated, but at least protected by rain and stuff. So yeah, it's been nice mild winter, so it's been alright. I little changed my plan. I got this jack from a friend. He gave me that. Thank you, bud. And yeah, I was planning take it off from the truck and put the pallets and kind of handmade sawhorse, but I changed my mind. If I want to fix the floor, make it straighter, it was sagging down, but the jacking helping and supporting, and it's kind of flat. So my plan now is make like a stay and support for this back hanging part from the hitch, using the hitch. So that should be stay up. And the wood is not great in here. It's rotten, but at least I can start using this camper. So that's my plan. Then when I fix this thing, I'll do it right that time. So I'm thinking make a support here and here underneath of the wood, and extend the hitch and up, then kind of hold this thing up. That's my plan. I started ripping off, but I can put the carpet or something. Yeah, so I started working on roof. Like 3 vents are totally fucked up, so I started taking off, and I gotta order the vents. Okay, I'm top of the camper now. The front, the frame is not bad shape, just the lid, the top is broken off. So if I can find the right stuff, I might just use and put the new cover on it. And that one for the washroom, this one for the living part. I started scraping off the gummy shit and taking the screw off. And I'll do that same thing over there. I'm using a knife to clean up the inside, the square holes, and holder's drill. Yeah, it's not holding much. Well, I gotta keep going. Okay. ここは下からかな。はい、1個は取れました。Well, I got one down. Yeah, let's try that one. I forgot videotaping how I scrape off this videotape thing. No. What do you call the caulking stuff? I've been using heat gun and scraper. They're working good. I'll show you. Something like that. I just took the drawers out, then that's what I found. Some kind of nest. Anyway, I have friends in here. Well, I started taking stuff out to change the floor, and this is what's happening here. I put some stuff out. This is gone, that is gone, and the mattress is gone. I'm not sure. Maybe a little bit water damage. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pour it out or do something. Looks not too bad. I just want to focus on changing the floor. And this is the section kind of separated and lifted up. There's two plywood connected here, so I gotta do something to do that. Maybe I'll take this thing off, then probably have to move this thing, and I think this square piece and over there square piece and the bottom the table should be removed. Then I can see the whole floor. Oh, I forgot about this. The shower room, I think, need to be moved. It goes like separate from here, like top and bottom, and little electricity and plumbing, and I don't think it's go out from this door through this door, so I think I put in a bank bedroom there. That's the plan. はい、机があったとこ足を取りました。 もうここまでかな。机と机の足を外して、こっちの衣紋掛けを取っ払いました。はい。今日はまあここまで。